Digital initiatives focus on digitizing the core of enterprises to modernize and transform the way they function. However, it's essential to have a transformation roadmap and do a proper assessment of the ERP landscape to ascertain the business value from such transformations, helping take the right decisions for digital enablement. A leading US-based air conditioning and refrigeration solutions provider wanted to perform such an end-to-end analysis and health check of its global SAP landscape, with a vision to develop a roadmap for its future digital transformation. Its global business operations were supported by a complex SAP system of 13+ instances across business units. Hence, a thorough assessment and recommendations on improvement opportunities was required. LTI's SAP consulting team fast-tracked this assessment by leveraging its proprietary S/4HANA transformation platform to understand the SAP system health and identify improvement opportunities, assess the business impacts from future S/4HANA movement. Additionally, LTI analyzed several factors like ease of migration, benefit realization, process complexity index, and coverage. Through this assessment, LTI delivered a comprehensive report with process simplification and improvement opportunities, potential global solution template, recommended approach and roadmap for S/4HANA migration, business value canvas highlighting transformation opportunities. The result? Our client got a complete view of its system health, opportunities for enhancing business value, creating a well-defined roadmap for S/4HANA adoption, and data-driven decisions for transformation investments.